Let us see the solution of today's chemistry paper. It is set B and question is write true or false. The solution which obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentrations are known as ideal solution. It is true. The cell potential is the addition of electrode potential and cathode potential. It is false. It is not addition but subtraction. The calcium ion and magnesium ions form stable complexes with EDTA. It is true. C2H5OCH3 is a symmetrical ether. It is false because it has different alkyl groups. Ketones containing carbonyl group, it is true. Next is Hinsberg's reagent reacts with primary and secondary amines to form sulfonamides. It is also true. Now the question is match the column. Silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor. K4FeCN6 is a counter ions. Lucas reagent. It is concentrated HCl and ZnCl2. Formic acid, red ants, monosaccharides, reducing sugars. Now the question is answer in one word or one sentence. The first question, write the value of conductivity of superconductor. It is infinite. Write the chemical formula potassium dichromate. It is K2Cr2O7. Write the central metal ion atom in. It is Ni. Write alkyl halides Ri, Rf, Rbr, Rcl in decreasing order of the boiling points. This is Ri, alkyl iodide, then alkyl bromide, then alkyl chloride, then alkyl fluoride. It is a decreasing order of boiling points. Write the name of hormone which is responsible for deep voice in the males. It is testosterone hormone. Now the question, choose and write correct options. Homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components is solution. Rate K, A raised to power half and B raised to power 3 half. In rate expression, the overall order of reaction is by adding powers 1 upon 2 and 3 by 2, we get 4 upon 2 and equal to it is 2. So the correct option is 2. In this transition element is, it is titanium. Benzaldehyde is, it is C6H5CHO. Next is ethane 1,2-diamine is, it is S2N CH2 CH2 NH2. This is molecules that act as intercellular messengers are, they are hormones. Now the questions are in fill in the blanks. The number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter or 1 cubic decimeter of solution is defined as molarity. The unit of first order rate constant, it is second inverse और sec inverse और S inverse, इनमें से आप कोई भी लिख सकते थे. Failing reagent comprises of two solutions, failing A and failing B. The lower aliphatic amines are gases with Phy, it is Phy order. Glucose occurs freely in nature as well as in combined form. Next question, if third amino acid combines to a dipeptide, the product is called, it is tripeptide. It is tripeptide because already it is dipeptide. When amino acids combine with it, it forms tripeptide. The correct option is tripeptide. These are the 1 marks question. You can match from your paper. Thank you.